Blessed be, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be working on opening up at the third eye. I get a lot of requests from people wanting to open their third eye, wanting to become more intuitive. So this is just a little technique you can use to help enhance your intuition and also to get in touch with your higher self so that you can make some decisions about things that you may not be clear about. But before we dive in, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com, author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path, and I help witches craft a witchcraft path that you walk every day in every way without the overwhelm of not knowing where to start or what to do. And if you are interested in knowing where to start your witchcraft practice, you can download my free 20-minute video, How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. The link is in the description field below this video. When it comes to working with the third eye chakra, I like to start people actually at the root chakra and work the way up, because our third eye chakra is actually only going to be as helpful as the other chakras are below it. It's influenced by how we see the world in our other chakras, how we connect to the world through our root chakra, how safe we feel, how we feel about ourselves, how we feel about our wants and desires, how we feel about our own personal sovereignty, how we love ourselves or maybe don't love ourselves, and also how we are able to express ourselves creatively and speak our truth. This all influences the results we get from our third eye chakra. So it's important to balance the other chakras before really working with the third eye. But I know a lot of people want to enhance their intuition. So this is a technique that you can use to do that. All you need is a quiet space. Maybe you do this as part of your morning practice, as part of your meditation practice. Simply getting yourself into a nice, relaxed, calm state. And you can do that simply by sitting down either on a chair or cross-legged on the floor and taking in a nice deep breath in, short hold at the top, and then letting it out. Taking a deep breath in, short hold at the top, and then letting it out. Taking in another deep breath, short hold, and letting it out. And then just allowing yourself to feel any stress or tension in your body just dissolving down, down, down your body into the ground. And allowing the earth to take that tension and do something creative with it energetically. When you're working with your intuition, you want to make sure that you are in a very calm state to begin with. It'll be much easier to connect to your higher mind when you are in a relaxed alpha wave state. And take as long as you need to take. You could be doing the breathing exercise for 10 breaths if that's as much as it needs to take for you to get into that relaxed state. And then once you're there, just imagine that above you is the indigo sky. So indigo is the color of the third eye chakra. Imagine the sky above you is that indigo color that the sky goes through from blue to indigo to black, just before it hits that blackness of the night sky. And just noticing the brilliance in that indigo color, how that makes you feel. How do you feel when you gaze upon that color of indigo? It's a very intimate color. It's a very expansive color as well. Just has that little bit of blue in it. It's quite protective. You can feel quite safe in a night sky because the blackness of the night, the darkness of an indigo sky can help you feel more safe, more secure, more hidden. And you notice that there's some stars appearing in the sky now. You're starting to see them. And you're drawn to one star in particular. And see that star, very bright. This bright golden star appearing in this indigo sky. And as you gaze upon this star, start feeling it connect to your third eye chakra, which is just in this region here. And feel it open up. Feeling a tingling sensation maybe in this third eye area of your forehead. Feel it tingle. If you can't feel it tingle, imagine it's tingling. As this light from this beautiful starlight is shining and stimulating this area of your energy system. And the more that star shines, the brighter it shines, the more tingling the sensation becomes. Until you start to feel that the third eye is like a real eye. It can be closed and it can be open. And you start to feel it open up and receive this beautiful starlight. And just allow that starlight to just enter in that part of your body. You may feel a bit of excitement. You may feel peaceful. You may feel calm. It's a bit like an energy boost in some ways. And just allow yourself to enjoy that feeling of having this connection to the starlight. And then when you're ready, think of a situation. Maybe it's a question you have, something going on in your life that you want more clarity about, that you actually need to be connecting to your intuition to be able to make a decision about. Think about that situation. Ask the question. So ask your intuition to help you make this decision, this choice, or to give you clarity about something. Feel into your body. So just allowing yourself to take notice of how your body feels in space, in the space that you're in. Open your ears. Imagine they've got little openings as well, so that they can open up to receiving information coming from you, particularly if you're an auditory receiver. If you're somebody who's clairaudient, it's going to be more sounds or inner sounds, inner thoughts, or even dialogue that you're going to hear. And then just allow the screen of your mind to clear. And if you're visual, either before you, you will see images, or you may hear things if you're auditory. You may sense things if you're sentient, or you may start getting some thoughts coming in through your mind, which is more cognizant. And just allow the free flow of images, thoughts, sounds, whatever comes into your mind, to just pass your mind. You don't want to be steering it, you don't want to direct it, you just want to take notice. You step into your observing self and you watch what you see or what you hear or what you sense or what you think. You just watch it and just allow yourself to watch it as if it's a movie you're watching. You're just not getting involved in it. It's not an easy thing to do, so if you try this exercise every day, even if it's just for a few minutes, it will help get you into the practice of being able to step aside from actually being involved in anything that goes on in your mind, so that you can look at it more as a third person rather than actually being in it yourself. And you can practice this for as long as you want to practice it for. For most of us, it's probably not going to be for very long before you'll probably start getting distracted and think about other stuff coming in. And if other stuff does come in, like you get distracted, just realize you've been distracted and then just allow yourself to just watch again. Keep bringing yourself back to watching the movie unfold. Now in this exercise, you may get the answer you're looking for. You may get a hint of maybe somewhere you need to go to look to get the answer, or where you may need to go to get more information to help you make the decision. Or you may just be communicating with your reticular activating system in your brain that it needs to take more notice of any cues or anything creative that it sees throughout your day, to bring it to your attention. And then when you finish the exercise, just come back into your body, open your eyes, have a look around, and then write down or record in your phone what you saw, what you heard, what you thought. Record it all. And in that, there may be a hint of some clarity about your situation. You may have got a really clear message of how something is or how it isn't. And once you've written everything down, if you're still not sure about what you've seen, you can put your hand on your heart and consult your heart chakra and feel into what you saw to see if anything that you experienced during that exercise technique resonates with you in regards to what your heart wants you to do. Otherwise, if you're just wanting to see something more clearly, just to get a more clear view of something, then you don't need to necessarily consult the heart. The third eye would be all you may need to use. Practice that every day and you will get better at it. It's a quick technique that you can use, and when you get practiced at it, you can do it almost anywhere. You can do it on the train, on the bus. I wouldn't recommend you do it while you're driving, but you can certainly do it in situations where you're not having to focus on something. And yeah, let me know in the comments field how you go with that, because I'm really interested in knowing how people do go with these techniques that I give you on these YouTube videos. So definitely share your experiences with me. If you want to, again, know where to start your witchcraft practice, the link to the free video is in the description field below this video. And of course, if you want to learn witchcraft with me, with a group of like-minded people with the Mystery Witch School 101, that's a course that is self-paced, but you also get me as your mentor. Have a look at the Mystery Witch School 101 link. It is also in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.